Is Gemini showing something went wrong again and not working properly? I will show you simple steps to fix the error and get Gemini running smoothly again. First, tap and hold on the Gemini app. Now tap on App Info. Next, tap on Archive. After that, tap on Restore. Once it's done, check if the problem is fixed. Solution 2. Send feedback from the Gemini app. Open the Gemini app. Tap on your profile icon. Now tap on Feedback. Tap on Get Started. Select Allow One-Time Access. Type your problem clearly here. Tap on the Send icon. Now tap on Continue. Finally, tap on Yes to submit feedback. Solution 3. Enable Canvas feature. Open the Gemini app again. Tap on Settings. Select Canvas. Now tap on Agree to enable it. Solution 4. Clear storage. Tap and hold on the Gemini app. Go to App Info. Tap on Storage and Cache. Now tap on Clear Storage. Solution 5. Reinstall Gemini from Play Store. Tap and hold on the Gemini app. Go to App Info. After that, tap on Uninstall. Tap OK to confirm. Now open the Play Store and install Gemini again. That's it. Try these solutions one by one, and Gemini should work properly again. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy fixes.